Japanese manicure. The idea behind this manicure is to allow weakened and damaged nails to be restored. All ingredients used during the Japanese manicure are made from natural materials. Beeswax, ginseng and silica are just some of the main ingredients used during this treatment. This treatment begins with the nails being filed and the cuticles removed before the nourishing paste is buffed into the nail bed. This paste is then sealed in place with a nourishing powder buffed over the top. This manicure is ideal for clients working in the healthcare sector or other professions which may not allow nail polish, as Japanese manicure will leave your nails looking a shiny, healthy, enhanced version of their natural selves. The treatment is finished off with a hand scrub and hand cream application. The Japanese manicure is also waterproof, which is just another one of its great benefits. You will see your results after your first treatment. However, it is advised to continue for several treatments to allow the nails to become firm, healthy and smooth. If you feel like your nails are in need of some nourishment, visit Butterfly Effect Salon today.